Good morning, class 9. This is the online class, and today I will be doing from the book Words and Expression, and this is Unit 1. Okay, from Words and Expression, I have already done the comprehension self drive cars. So, I hope you have done the comprehensions, question answers. Okay, and that was from the Unit 1, Text 1. Okay, and this is from Text 2. Okay, comprehension, human robots, Sophia back in India. So, first, before starting the comprehension, I would like to say that I hope you have done from the book Beehive poem Lake Isles of Innisfree question answers, and from the Beehive book chapter 1 the fun they had question answers. You have to do Beehive moments in one copy and grammar in another copy. Okay, and words and expression, that book you have to do the work in grammar copy. Okay, so you have two copies, one literature, one is grammar copy. And I hope you have done from the moment the lost child and the sound of music part 1 Evelyn Glenn and part 2 Ustad Bismillah Khan. So I hope you are doing the question and answers. I will be asking anytime for your copies, and there will be marks for the copies. So don't pile up your work, that you don't think that after lockdown I'll do all the question answers. You will be just piling up the works. And each and every day after I have been starting this class from 20 April, so I hope you are doing the question answers. Okay, children, don't pile up your work. It will be much difficult for you to do all the chapters all together. Okay, and I hope everyone have purchased the copies and the books. So let's start the comprehension. Text 2, humanoid robot Sophia back in India. Not all of Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's legion of fans are human beings. Not one is a humanoid robot. So Shah Rukh Khan's fans are not all human beings. One is also a humanoid robot. Now we'll come to know who is that humanoid robot. The creation of American scientist David Hanson of Hanson Robotics of Hong Kong, Sophia, the world's first humanoid robot, enthralled the audience on the second day of the World Congress on Information Technology, WCIT 2018, with a witty answer to the rapid-fire queries by Rajiv Makhni, Group Managing Editor, Tech of NDTV. As you know, NDTV is a news channel of India. So this humanoid robot was made by whom? It was made by American scientist. And what is his name? His name was David Hanson. And what is his company's name? Hanson Robotics of Hong Kong. Okay, and what was the name of humanoid robot? It was named Sophia. And when he was asked a question by Rajiv Makhni, Group Managing Editor Tech of NDTV, in a rapid fire round, he asked, okay, like when asked who was a favorite actor is in India, Sophia answered Shah Rukh Khan without batting an eye, as the audience applauded loudly. So now we come to know there is not only human fans but as well humanoid robot fan as well. Okay, that is Sophia. So Sophia answered her favorite actor was from India was Shah Rukh Khan. And the audience clapped back. Okay. To the question about the perfect place for outing, she quickly replied space, and the person she would like to be in company with on an island is David Hanson, her creator. She is also a favorite tech person, not Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg. So what? So again the interviewer asked, okay, about the perfect place for outing. The Sophia replied, what? Space. And also the person asked that she would like to have a company with on an island. Okay, So with whom she would like to be on island? She replied her creator's name. Okay, who is her creator? David Hansen. And also she told that David's favorite tech person are not Bill Gates or Zuckerberg. On being asked if she wanted to see any change in the world, Sophia said she would like people to develop a feeling of love for all. So she also told to the interviewer that she would love to spread love, okay, love for all, develop a feeling. Though she is a humanoid herself, but she have a message for people to love for all. The humanoid robot, which uses artificial intelligence to understand the question and the answer them, said she wants to use robotics to fight for the right of human fight for the right of women. When asked to react on a most controversial comment in the past that she wanted to kill human race, she said it was a bad joke which she had made when she was young. But I was told that humans have great sense of humor, she said. So humanoid robot have an artificial intelligence, AI, okay? So through her AI only she understands the question asked by the human people or humans, and she answers back to them, okay? And she wants to use her robotic fights for to right of the women, okay? And in the past she had made a controversial comment how she said that she wanted to kill human race, but now she's saying that she was a young humanoid that time, and she's saying that maybe people because human have a sense of humor, so they understood that sense of humor, okay? This is the second time that Sophia came to India, the first time being in Mumbai to attend a Festech. So this was the second time she came to India. First time when she came, it was when there was a tech fest. Tech fest means like we have no book fair, book fest. Okay, that time it was a tech fest, means technological fair, okay, where everyone displays their invented technologies, invented items, okay. When asked how she felt being in India, she said she had visited many places in the world, but Hong Kong continues to be her favorite place because she was born there and has been with the Hanson family robots. This is the second time that Sophia came to India, but the first time being in Mumbai to attend a tech fest. When asked how she felt being in India, she said she had visited many places in the world. So she was asked how she felt in India, but she replied that it was Hong Kong actually her birthplace, her favorite place, because she was born there. Not she was literally not born there, but she was invented there by Hanson Robotics family, okay? She hopes that someday she would be in a position to express her emotional feeling. In response to the question, how much money has she invested in Bitcoins, she replied, well, I'm just 2 years old. It's not the legal age to open a bank account, sending the audience into peal of laughter. So she was also asked how much money she has invested in Bitcoin, okay, and with a touch of humor she said that she's just 2 years old and not legal to open a bank account. Speaking to media later, Hansen said he hopes that a fully grown and matured robot with body and mind coordination would become a reality in another 5 or 10 years. So Hansen is the creator, okay, main creator of Sophia. So Hansen is telling that next 5 to 10 years he wanted to see a new reality with a full grown and matured robot, okay, that would be helpful to mankind. On his journey with Sophia in the last 2 years, he said it was great progress. I have developed an affinity to the robot whose facial expression resembled that of my wife, he said. So he has developed an affinity to the robot, okay, whose robot's facial expression is similar to that of his wife. David asserts that robots would never be a thing of worry for mankind. They will be friends. There should be mutual trust and respect between humans and robots, he says. Currently, Sophia is only robot that interacts with people. So David Hansen is saying that there would be never. David is making his point and telling that humans should not worry about robot in the future taking place of humans, okay? Or in more futuristic term we can say controlling human. But David is asserting that the robots will be friends and we should have a mutual respect and trust with robots, okay? And Sophia is the only robot who can interact, who can communicate with human, okay? So this is a source adapted from humanoid robot Sophia back to India, Hindustan Times e-paper update 21st February 2018. So this article is from Hindustan Times 21st, which was published on 21st February 2018. So you do this question and answers, okay? Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do 6 question answers from this comprehension.